guys, Paris here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this eye look. It was very fun to do. I used the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. Really beautiful, really good palette. It was my first time using this, so yeah, let's get on with the video. So just a quick little thing to say. I did film me doing all of my face products, but it was really boring, so I just cut it out. So I'm just skipping right to when I do my eyes. For the eyes, we are going to take the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette. And we're going to try to do a look. This is my first time using this palette, so let's see how this goes. We are going to take this color right here and just put that on the crease. And blend that upwards because we are going to put more colors in the crease. Then with that same brush, we are going to take the royal blue and carefully put that in the crease, but keep it closer to the lid. And I'm going to dip back in to that light blue just to help blend it together a little bit more. Now with a small blending brush, we're going to go into the deepest blue and focus that on the outer corner, deep in the crease. And then going back into that big one and just helping to blend it all out. We're going to take my sponge and just kind of drag it across to make it more so of a sharp line. Then we are going to take a flat brush and some setting spray and just spray it on so that we can collect the glitter a little bit better. And we're going to take this one right here and just pack that on. And then with the same brush, go into the silvery one above it. Kind of plop that right in the center of the eye. And just to do a nice highlighted kind of look, to add some more glitter. And that's that eye. We're actually going to go back in with the big fluffy brush and just try to blend this out a little bit more. Now with this tiny brush, we are going to go in to this deep blue right here, and then the royal blue. So deep blue here and then royal blue closer to the inner corner. just to carry the eye color down. Then with this brush, we're just going to go into our highlighter to highlight the inner corner of our eyes and our brow bone a little bit more. And that's the completed eye minus mascara. I'm going to do the other eye off camera, so I'll be back once that is done. Now we're going to set all of this with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Now I'm going to take my Stila Major Lash Mascara and put that on my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm going to take my Ciate London Lip Luster in shade Kiss Me and just put that all over my lips. This is a nice natural shimmery lip because this is a lot and I don't want to take away from that, so. And that is the final look. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. Hit that little bell so you guys can get notified every time I post a new video. The question of the day is right here. Make sure to comment it down below to get a chance to be in the beginning of my next video for the subscriber of the day, like a little shout out. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.